feel so alive. I feel so alive. Oh.
Yeah!
I feel like I can fly. I feel so alive.
Happy birthday, Zia! I love you!
Happy birthday, Zia! Dito lang kami palagi for you. We love you so much.
Hi, happy birthday, Zia! Tita always love you and stay pretty and good health. Happy birthday!
Feel my heart beat like a drum, it's beating loud. Butterflies when I touch the sky. I feel this fire take me high into the night.
She knows how to interact with people. Bungis niya siya, masayahin siyang bata. Thankful ako kasi yung parents namin nag-aalaga sa kanya. Ang sarap lang sa feeling kasi may reason na kami na umuwi ng maaga kasi alam namin may naghihintay sa amin.
Sobrang niya, jolly. Lagi siyang nakangiti pagdating mo. Lalakapin ka, lalapitan.
And mahilig siyang mag-kiss.
Sobrang lambing niya.
Sobrang lambing.
I feel so alive. I feel so alive.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all walk up and let's give him a round of applause for the birthday baby girl, Zia!
In the clouds, never coming down. I just can't stop, don't know how. 'Cause I feel so alive. I feel so alive. Oh, chase the sun.
Hello,
Hello,
Zia!
Zia.
Happy
Happy birthday.
Sana lumaki kang hindi sakitin, maging mabait at magalang na bata paglaki mo. We love you, Apo!
I wanna breathe it in. I wanna feel it all. From the top of every mountain. Happy birthday, Zia! Happy birthday, Zia! Happy birthday, Zia! Standing tall. 'Cause I feel so alive. I feel so alive. Oh, I feel like I can fly. I feel so alive.
Sino dito ang mga nag-aaral?
Ako hindi na.
Bakit?
Graduate na ako.
Graduate ka ng ano?
Graduate ako ng nurse.
Anong nurse?
Nursery.
I just can't stop, don't know how.
Arrange yourselves according to your last number of your city number.
Waking up, I wanna breathe it in.
1, 6, 3, 7.
So alive.
Birthday, Zia! Pag kailangan mo, alam mo mapanood mo. Ito lang si Nina para lagi support mo ka. At syempre, sa pangalan ng nanay.
I feel so alive. I feel so alive. Oh, I just wanna live my life.
Someday, once na mapanood mo ito, matutuwa ka and ma-appreciate mo yung effort namin ng papa mo. We pray that you'll be having a good health and know more about Christ. We love you so much, anak.
Ang wish namin sa'yo, sana lumaki kang mabait, laging sumunod kay mama, kay lola, ayan.
Mag-aral ka ng mabuti.
Ayun, mag-aral kang mabuti, nakalimutan. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Bibigay namin yung best namin para mabigay sa'yo yung mga kailangan mo hanggang paglaki mo.
Happy birthday, Zia! We love you so much!